Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to market your restaurant on social media and other platforms. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for any restaurant looking to attract new customers and retain existing ones. In this tutorial, I will guide you through some effective strategies to promote your restaurant on social media and other platforms. Before starting any marketing activities, it is important to understand your target audience. Who are your customers? What are their demographics and interests? Knowing this information will help you tailor your marketing messages and choose the right platforms to reach them. Your restaurant's brand identity is what sets you apart from your competitors. It includes your logo, color scheme, tone of voice, and overall personality. Make sure your brand identity is consistent across all your marketing channels, from your website to your social media profiles. Your website is often the first impression potential customers will have of your restaurant, so make sure it looks professional and user-friendly. Ensure that your website is optimized for mobile devices and that it includes essential information such as your menu, location, and hours of operation. Social media is a powerful tool for restaurant marketing. Choose the platforms that your target audience is most active on, and post engaging content regularly. This could include behind-the-scenes glimpses of your kitchen, promotions, and special events. Encourage your customers to share their experiences on social media by using branded hashtags and tagging your restaurant in their posts. Share user-generated content on your own social media profiles to showcase social proof and build brand credibility. Partnering with social media influencers who have a large following in your target audience can be an effective way to reach new customers. Consider offering them a free meal in exchange for a review or a social media post. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing can be a highly effective way to promote your restaurant to your existing customer base. Send out regular newsletters with updates on your menu, promotions, and events. In conclusion, marketing your restaurant on social media and other platforms requires a thoughtful strategy and consistent effort. By understanding your target audience, building a strong brand identity, and leveraging the power of social media and other marketing channels, you can attract new customers and build brand loyalty. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your restaurant marketing efforts. How to Tutorial by Jayanti Kathal.